In this detailed tutorial, you will learn how to install porcelain tiles on a bathroom ceiling under the stairs step by step. This process may seem difficult at first because working on a ceiling and especially under a staircase requires precision, careful preparation, and the right techniques. However, by following the steps shown in this video, you will be able to achieve a professional finish that is both durable and visually appealing. The video begins by showing you how to prepare the surface of the ceiling properly before applying the porcelain tiles. Surface preparation is crucial, as it ensures that the adhesive bonds correctly and that the tiles remain securely in place over time. You will also see which tools and materials are best suited for this type of installation, including tile adhesive, spacers, and cutting tools designed to handle porcelain tiles. Once the surface is ready, the tutorial demonstrates the correct method for applying adhesive and positioning each tile carefully on the ceiling. Special attention is given to the alignment, ensuring that the tiles are straight and properly fitted even in the tight and awkward spaces under the stairs. The video also highlights important tips on how to support the tiles temporarily during installation, so they stay in place until the adhesive sets. Throughout the process, you will notice practical techniques that make the work easier and more efficient. For example, how to cut porcelain tiles to fit into corners or around obstacles, how to maintain consistent spacing between tiles for a clean finish, and how to work safely when tiling overhead. By the end of the tutorial, you will see the completed ceiling covered with porcelain tiles, giving the bathroom a modern, elegant, and durable finish. This method is suitable for both professionals looking to refine their skills and DIY enthusiasts who want to take on a challenging yet rewarding project. Our channel Ighoud Ceramic Tiles is dedicated to sharing professional methods and practical solutions for ceramic, porcelain, marble, and terrazzo installation. We provide clear step-by-step demonstrations that make complex projects easier to understand and apply. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more high-quality tiling guides and home improvement techniques. In this extended explanation, we will go even deeper into the process of installing porcelain tiles on a bathroom ceiling under the stairs, focusing on every small detail that makes a difference in achieving a flawless result. Many people consider ceiling tiling to be one of the most challenging tasks in home improvement, and when it comes to working under a staircase, the difficulty increases due to the limited space, angles, and structural elements that must be carefully managed. The first step in any successful tile installation is proper planning. In this video, you will see how to measure the area accurately, calculate the number of porcelain tiles required, and mark the ceiling for alignment. Precise measurement ensures that you minimize waste, avoid awkward cuts, and maintain symmetry across the ceiling surface. Planning is especially important under the stairs, where irregular shapes and slanted areas may require custom tile cuts. Next, we move to the preparation of the adhesive. Porcelain tiles are heavier than regular ceramic tiles, and when working overhead, a strong bonding adhesive is critical. The video demonstrates the correct consistency of the adhesive mix, showing you how to apply it with the right trowel size to create maximum grip. The adhesive must be spread evenly on both the ceiling surface and the back of each tile, a method known as back buttering, to guarantee long-lasting strength. The placement of the first tile is one of the most important stages in the entire process. Starting in the correct position ensures that the entire ceiling layout remains straight and balanced. You will learn how to use tile spacers and leveling tools to maintain equal spacing and avoid misalignment. The video also provides tips on how to work efficiently in tight corners and how to handle tiles near the edges of the ceiling under the stairs. Another critical aspect of this tutorial is tile cutting. Because stair ceilings often have unusual shapes and sloping angles, custom cuts are necessary to fit the porcelain tiles neatly into the available space. The video shows practical techniques for cutting porcelain tiles safely and accurately, using professional tools that prevent cracks or uneven edges. This ensures that every tile fits perfectly, contributing to a polished and professional look. Support during installation is another key point explained in this guide. Since tiles are applied overhead, temporary support may be required until the adhesive cures completely. The video highlights simple yet effective methods to keep the tiles in place, ensuring they do not slip or shift during the drying process. These techniques are especially useful for DIY enthusiasts who may not have specialized ceiling installation tools. By the end of the tutorial, the completed porcelain tile ceiling under the stairs transforms the bathroom into a unique and modern space. Not only does this method provide a durable and water-resistant surface, but it also adds elegance and style to an area that is often overlooked. The result is a bathroom ceiling that stands out for its precision, beauty, and long-lasting quality. At Ighoud Ceramic Tiles, we believe that even the most challenging tiling projects can be simplified with the right guidance. Our mission is to share detailed, step-by-step tutorials that empower both professionals and beginners to achieve high-quality results. By watching and following this video, you will gain the confidence to take on ceiling tiling projects in complex areas like staircases, bathrooms, and other unique architectural spaces. In this third part of the detailed explanation, we will dive deeper into the more advanced aspects of porcelain tile installation on a bathroom ceiling under the stairs. By this stage of the process, the surface preparation and the initial alignment of tiles have already been completed, which means we can now focus on the precision work, fine adjustments, and the finishing touches that transform the ceiling into a professional quality installation. Installing porcelain tiles on a ceiling, particularly in a space that is angled or located under stairs, is often considered one of the most complex tiling challenges, because gravity is working against the adhesive bond, and the unique geometry of the ceiling requires careful planning, exact measurement, and consistent checking of lines and levels. At this point, the installer should focus on ensuring that each tile is pressed firmly and evenly into place so that it sits flat against the surface without sagging or shifting. Using proper spacers between tiles is absolutely necessary to maintain consistent joints, which will later be filled with grout to create clean and straight lines. It is also essential to regularly check alignment with a laser level or chalk line to ensure that the tiles remain true to the chosen layout pattern. This level of detail helps avoid small errors that may become noticeable once the entire ceiling area is covered. Another crucial aspect of this stage is the handling of tile cuts. Since the ceiling under the stairs often has angles, corners, and edges that are not perfectly square, precise cutting of porcelain tiles is required. Using a professional-grade wet saw or tile cutter, each piece should be measured carefully and cut to fit snugly against the edge without leaving unnecessary gaps. In many cases, small adjustments and multiple trial fits are needed before applying adhesive to ensure the piece fits correctly. Working patiently during this phase prevents costly mistakes and results in a more refined appearance. Additionally, the choice of adhesive and its application technique play a major role at this point. A strong thinset mortar suitable for porcelain tiles should be applied evenly with a notched trowel, ensuring full coverage at the back of the tile to prevent hollow spots or weak bonds. For ceiling installations, back buttering each tile, applying a thin layer of mortar directly on the back surface of the tile before placing it provides extra grip and ensures a secure hold, which is critical when gravity is constantly pulling the tiles downward.